Mashup!
Hello. Now, you know I always love to get your suggestions, and I had this comment. So I thought, a Kawaii burger, Hello Kitty, both good suggestions. Let's start off with the Kawaii burger, okay? So Kawaii means cute, in case you didn't know. A burger has this kind of rounded top. That looks pretty cute already. Bringing that down there, so we've got a nice bun shape to it. And then we'll do some sort of lettucey bit on there. That's good. Took that a bit quickly, didn't I? Let's slow it down. And we'll have the burger in there. You can do as much or as little detail on this as you like. I'll do some more in a minute. So then we'll have a bit of cheese coming out the bottom here. We'll put some colour on it in a minute, and that will make it look a lot better, I think. And then a bottom bun on there. And because we've got to make it kawaii cute, I'll just get rid of some more of these lines. That's good. Then I think we're going to need some eyes. Big eyes for kawaii stuff. To learn these eyes, you'll just cute up anything. Anything you like, you can draw and make it really cute. I'm going to draw my little mouth like that, because I always draw little mouths like that. And then in this one, I'm going to draw a little smaller circle in there like that. And another one in there like that. So it's touching the edges on the insides and then looking kind of upwards. We'll put another couple of little circles in there as well. And I think we need some sort of sesame seeds on here as well. That's looking pretty kawaii. Let's ink it and see what we get. Here we go. Kawaii stuff just means cute stuff, and it is a lot of fun to draw because you get to draw huge eyes on things like these. As long as you get the eyes kind of straight to each other and then the mouth sort of quite high up in the middle of the eyes, you're going to capture the look straight away, and it's going to be really cute. As you know, we always deal with shapes, break everything down to shapes when we're drawing. And these are really, really simple because they're just circles. Circles, circles, circles. A sausage. And more circles. That's pretty good. Do some eyelashes on there as well to really cute it up. Sesame seeds. That's looking pretty cute, isn't it? I love that. Let's put some colour on. Alright, let's start with an orange bun. There, Kawaii up. I think that looks pretty cool, right? But we did want a Hello Kitty one, didn't we? So let's do a little bit of a mashup. This is not one of our official mashups. We didn't start with the mashup things, did we? So let's just see what we can do over here. Let's so we need the same basic shape, I think, as our Kawaii burger, and then we're going to come across here, just like that, and I think we'll have the similar sort of stuff going on here. So the main frame of this is a burger. Okay, but I think with Hello Kitty we need eyes like nose. She's got the whiskers and the bow, obviously. I do these in those sort of shapes like that. I think that's pretty cute. Let's get a bit of ink on that one, and we'll see how she looks in the end. Looks like my brush pens are running out. Okay. Pretty cute Hello Kitty burger. I think that's a good one. Right, we shall leave it there for this one, and I will see you next time for another bit of drawing on CaptainFishbeard.com.